Ready? Everybody forward. Ready.
Yeah, young bastard.
Mark, there's still one behind that barricade. Front. Ross, there's one directly ahead of you. Can you see him? Wait a minute. Oh, one right in that barricade. Yep.
Have it!
Oh, hat Dave. Hat!
Hat! Ow.
Ahead of us, the thick tree. Keep an eye.
Thick tree? What thick tree?
There's a tree right ahead of us, right there.
Yeah? What?
The tree's right there.
Right here? Are we sure? Well, we have got a few guns. You've got them. I've got the yeah, I'll look at one first.
Oh well, that was a fail.
Our what?
You heard them?
What?
You heard them?
You see at the top of the ridge, there's one tree about what, 1.5 foot thick. The top of it's missing. At the top of the ridge, in between, like dead centre middle between the two trees.
Aye.
Okay, left hand side of that, the head's bobbing around. If that's any help.
I would have got one lick shot, but